In xMatters Flow Designer, you can use callable flows to initiate a major incident process anywhere in a workflow. Instead of creating the same sequences of steps over and over, such as posting to a status page or opening a help desk ticket, you can create the series of steps once as a callable flow, and then include that as a step anywhere in that workflow. Let me show you how. A callable flow lets you call another flow into your workflow to run. A callable flow steps works in tandem with a callable trigger. You can use a callable trigger to build a sequence of steps you want to run, and then define what information to pass from the calling flow to the steps connected with a callable trigger. When you add a callable flow step to any of the flows in the same workflow, when the step runs, it'll call its associated trigger to initiate the sequence of steps. To create a callable flow, click Triggers and drag a callable trigger from the palette onto the canvas. Connect the steps you want to run when the callable flow is triggered. Click the callable trigger to open its configuration screen and click the Create Callable Flow Step link. On the Settings tab, give the step a name. Now, on the Inputs Outputs tab, add the inputs your callable flow will need and save. Now close the callable trigger setup and configure the other steps in your flow to use the outputs. Save your callable flow canvas and close. Next, open another canvas in your workflow. Go to the Tools tab, and at the bottom, you'll see your new callable flow step. Drag it onto your canvas and connect it to your flow. Double-click the step to open its configuration screen. On the Setup tab, fill in the steps using the text, outputs from your previous steps, trigger properties, or a combination of these that you want to pass to your callable flow. If you want to edit its configuration, you can click the Open Step Configuration in the associated trigger, or click Edit from the Callable Flow Steps gear icon on the Tools tab of the palette. As the owner of a callable step, you can specify who the step is shared with and what permission levels they have. To view where a callable step is used, click Edit from the Callable Flow Steps Settings menu and click the Usage tab to view a list of locations where the callable flow step is used. The Usage tab only appears in a callable flow steps configuration screen when the step is used one or more times in the workflow. To try using callable flows yourself, sign up for xMatters free at xmatters.com/free. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know down below in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, I hope you'll consider giving it a like and subscribing. Have a great day.